Hello guys. Today I will show you how to get first-person mode. But first I need your help. Look, only 0.3% of you people watching my videos have subscribed. So I would appreciate you subscribing to my channel and leave a comment. Thank you. Now let's start the video. Load up your creative map and select the newly added orbit camera in the Devices tab. This just recently got added to Creative with the Season 2 of Chapter 5. It will allow us to change the camera as we want to, place it down somewhere like this. Now I will go through the settings step by step you need to apply in order for it to work. The first one you want to change is the field of view, crank it up to the maximum of 120. Next comes the distance, put it on 0 so the camera will be as close as possible. Put offset X at 30 centimeters. Offset Y needs to be at 0. Offset Z at 75. Now for horizontal speed, put it up to 1000. And the same as before, vertical speed at 1002. Next you need to turn on clamp vertical rotation. Put the rotation minimum at -65 and the rotation maximum at +65. That's all I've done for the camera, but feel free to experiment and let me know down in the comments what you created. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe and write down a comment, would help the channel. Cheers!